here's a quick video on how to change a part on the CircuitHub platform. So let's use this part as an example right here. This is C11. Let's pretend that this part here, this part number, is not what we want to place for C11. We want to change it to a new part. So the first thing you need to know is that the approved parts list right here, anything under this approved parts list, we could place for C11. So you could have one part or you could have a list of parts. So in this case, we just have one. It's incorrect and we want to change it to a new one. So the first thing you want to do is you can remove it. And once we remove it, you'll notice that there is nothing under the approved parts list. We don't even have an approved parts list anymore. So now it's saying no approved parts, we need to approve a new one. So what you'll want to do is use this search bar to find the next new part. This search bar, is powered by Octopart. And so it has real-time availability and pricing. So let's say I know my new part number, I'm going to paste it in here. And when I hit search, you can find that it's available. I like the unit pricing. And so what you'll want to do is hit approve. And when you do that, now under the approved parts list, we have the new part here that we want to use for C11. So that's pretty much it. So the first thing you'll want to do is remove a part. You can search a new one and approve it. And if you wanted to approve a number of other parts, let's say these parts for whatever reason worked, you can hit approve on a few of them. And if you were to do that, you'll notice that there's actually 3 parts under the approved parts list. And if you were to place the order today, we would basically choose whichever one is most available and has the cheapest price. So if you have multiple, that's how we decide which part we actually place. So that's pretty much it. You remove a part, you add a new one, and just make sure whatever is under the approved parts list looks good, and you should be all set.